Hey everyone, welcome back to Python for Beginner series, and this is going to be our video number 13. And here is our question, that is, create a Python script that checks if the user reuses their password by prompting for login credentials and comparing them to predefined valid ones. So if the entered credentials match, display you are too easy to phish, you are using the same password for other accounts. Otherwise, display cool, you pass the phishing test with the warning message, be careful of phishing attacks. So basically, the goal of the exercise is to check our employees are not using the same password for different sites. So let's solve this exercise. So I have already created this file, that is file number 13. So first we have to write the valid username and password. Valid username equal to dark shadow. Valid password equal to dark shadow 88, let's say. So if I use the same password, like same username and same password for the different account, okay, so at that time we have to write you are too easy to phish because you are using the same password for other accounts. Otherwise, display cool, you pass the phishing test. So let's write the user name equal to, and we'll ask the user for the input. Enter your username, and we have to ask for the password as well. Input, enter your password. Okay, so if username is equal to valid username and password is equal to valid password, then print you are too easy to phish. Print you are using the same password for other accounts. Else print cool, you pass the phishing test. Okay, print be careful of phishing attacks. Okay, so this is going to be our program. So here is a valid username and password that is already stored in the database. Okay, and our company is checking if the user using the same password for the different account. Okay, so we are checking the statement here that if username equal to valid, sorry, it should be username, my bad. Okay, so here we are checking the condition that if username is equal to valid username and password is equal to valid password, that means the user is lazy. Okay, he or she is using the same password for all of their accounts. And else we are writing this, you pass the phishing test message. So let's save the file and run the code. Enter your username. So let's say dark shadow 14 is my username and my password is dark shadow 18. Let's hit enter. Cool, you pass the phishing test. Be careful of phishing attacks. Okay, let's run the code again. Okay, enter your username dark shadow 14. Enter your password dark shadow 88. You are too easy to phish. You are using the same password for other accounts. That is great. So this is how we are checking if the user reuses their password. This exercise will help you if you are preparing for any phishing campaign, like for cyber awareness campaign I'm talking about here. So you can use it, like you can check if the user reuses their password for the different sites or different account. So this is the best way to check if your company employees are using the company's password for their different account. Like I have seen a lot of people use the same password for different account, like for example same password for the Flipkart and same password for the Amazon. So here is a quick cyber safety tip. Please don't use the same password for all of your account, because your account will get compromised. So always use strong password and just change your password time to time. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope you like it. If you did, then please share this video with your friends and your colleagues, and make sure that you guys are subscribing to my YouTube channel. We'll see you in my next video. Till then, take care and keep learning. Bye bye.